Happy Thursday and welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We're gonna work with our rolling pin today and we are gonna make pizza. And not just any pizza, but pizza supreme. And you guys know me, I go nuts, but I don't go super nuts. So 2 slices of this pizza will give you 344 calories. You cannot beat that. Like 2 slices of Little Caesars pepperoni pizza is 480, I believe. So you can check me on that, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. And so you get 2 delicious slices of pizza. It has chicken sausage on it. So again, you have meat. We have all the veggies, all the fixins. We're gonna get this dough ready. But first, we're gonna go ahead and cook up all our fixins. You're gonna watch those come together. And I'll have kind of the quantities listed in there as well. Or maybe I'll just put those down below and you can see, but I don't know, I figure you load your pizza any way you want. So we're gonna go ahead and get our fixins ready, and then we're gonna get our dough ready, and we're gonna pop this baby in the oven, because guess what, it's dinner time. I'm ready, everybody's ready, family's ready, let's eat. So let's get this cooking. You guys can take a minute, subscribe down below, give me some likes, give me some comments, and love to have you here. On a lightly floured surface, we have our soft store-bought pizza dough. Okay, toppings are ready. We just rolled out our dough. Sometimes that's a feat in itself to get it the right size and round. Sometimes mine's shaped like a heart. I don't know why. A few years ago, I invested in a pizza stone. So those of you that have never used one, this is actually the most amazing thing I've ever had. You don't have to put oil or cooking spray on it. You don't have to do anything. You're just gonna go ahead. It cooks it so super even and gets the bottom really good, cooks it all the way through. So we're gonna put our dough on our pizza stone, put our ingredients on. We're popping it in the oven at 500 degrees for, I don't know, 15 minutes. I just kind of gauge that one. I don't know if my stove is silly or what, but I have yet to have a pizza come out in the same amount of time every single time. So anyhow, I just keep an eye on it and get it as brown as I like on top and as crisp as I want. And sometimes I do it different crispness every single time. And we'll just kind of see how it goes. But we're planning on 500 degrees, 15 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Let's get this pizza together. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of work him to the edges the best we can. But I think part of the fun of a home pizza is that it's its own shape. Okay, let's go ahead and spread our sauce. And I just use a spoon, and I use the back of the spoon to get it all spread around. we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle our cheese. Okay, now our topping. Mushrooms, chicken sausage, red onion, garlic, 2 different colors of peppers, because why not make it colorful and nutritious. And as soon as it's loaded where you like, we're gonna pop him in the oven. I think that's perfect. Well, we did it again. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. I like to have a little salad with my pizza, so I have a salad here, nothing major. Let's go and give this a taste. See if I can pick this up. Oh. See? That's a supreme pizza right there. So big, so full of flavor, so awesome. Love you guys. I'll see you next Thursday. Who knows what we're whipping up, but that there is a supreme pizza.